ओम अनस्तमितबारूप तेजसां तमसां अपि या एकोन्तर्यत अन्तश्च तेजांसि च तमांसि च. These are 15 shlokas composed by Abhinav Gupta, and they explain the exposition of that Shaivism. What is the doctrine of Shaivism? In brief words. 15 verses. In brief. Those who have not much time, if they are intelligent enough, they will get everything from that. Srimat Acharya Abhinav Gupta Pada Virchata. It has been done. This is the meaning of that. Om Anastamitabharup Tejasam Tamsam Api Ya Ekontariyat Antascha Tejamsi च तमांसि च. Om Nasamitvarup Tejasam Tamsam Api Ya Ekontaryantacha Tejamsi च तमांसि च. Anasta mitvarupa. Anasta, which is not, which never vanishes, sets. Ast means set. Just sun comes and sets somewhere at some time. But anastamita, amita means unlimited. This God consciousness never sets. It never vanishes. Amita means it is unlimited. Bharupa means it is glamorous. Bharupa. Bha means dikti. Bha dikta. Glamour, light. And Tejasam Tamsam Api, in whom all the external lights and all external darkness reside. Antarantri Tejam Sichi Tamam Sichi. All darkness and all external darkness, all external lights, both. Light and darkness, both. And Tamam Si means darkness. They reside both darkness and shining, outside darkness or outside shining. They both reside in that God consciousness. This is the abode of both. Tejasam tamsam api. What is shining? Tamsam means dark. Eko antarit. That one being whose glamour of light does not vanish in all external light and external darkness, and in whom all the external lights and all external darkness reside, in that supreme light of God consciousness. That is Samvit. That is Samvit. This is technical term in Shaivism. It is called Samvit. God consciousness is, we just translate it in this God consciousness. Actually, consciousness is not this. Con means two, both. It is only one God consciousness. There is no accurate meaning of Samvit. There are no words accurate. Samvit. Om Antastimitabarupa Tejasam Tamsam Api Ya Ekontaryat Antascha Tejam Sichitamam Sichi. You can see both darkness and shining in this. Because of this, you can see, when there is dark, you can see darkness also and shining also. So it is above those. Now it is okay. First is okay. Now, next. Second. Saiva sarubhutanam सर्वभूतानां स्वभावो परमेश्वर भावजातं हि तस्यैव शक्तिरीश्वरतामयी स एव सर्वभूतानां स्वभावा परमेश्वर भावजातं हि तस्यैव शक्तिरीश्वरतामयी स एव that God, that Samvit, Sarvabhutanam, of all objective world, Bhava, all the external collection of objective world, Sarvabhutanam, Swabhava. It is just expansion of his own energy only. This whole universality is expansion of his own energy only. And it is nature of all being. Sabhava. It is the nature of this objective world, is the nature of this God. It is nothing outside. This is the nature of that God, this universality. All the Bharupa means external collection of objective world. His Seva Shakti is just his own expansion of his own energy only, which is filled with glamour of God consciousness. Bhavjata mein taseva Shakti Ishwartamayi. Ishwartamayi means glamour of God consciousness. That is all his glamour. Saeva Sarv, that God consciousness, Sarvabhutanam, of all the external collection of objective world. Taseva Shakti it is just his own expansion of his energy, Swatantra Shakti. This is his own glory. Bhavjadam Taseva Shakti Ishwartamayi, and this is Ishwartamayi, filled with glamour of God. It is only God. There is nothing outside. Only God. Is it okay? Second. Number 3. And Swabhava is very important in this. First, Swabhava Parameshwara. It is his Swabhava. You know Swabhava. Swabhava is nature. This is his nature. This is nature. This is nature. Whatever you objective world is nature. It's all it is. There is no duality. I am this. This I is this. This God consciousness is this expansion. This is natural state. Number 3. This is Chartamayi. This is glamour of God consciousness. The governing voice. This is governance. Governance. It is nothing outside. And you have to come to that state. You are that. Nobody can survive without that. It is God, without consciousness. It is universal. Number 3. Shakti Shaktimat Rupat Vyatirekam Navanchate Tadatmyam Anyor Nityam Vahinidahakyoryu Shakti Shaktimat Rupat Vyatirekam Navanchate Tadatmyam Anyor Nityam Vahinidahakyoryu Shakti Shaktimat Rupa. Shakti and Shiva. Shakti, Shaktimat means Shiva. Shakti to Shaktimat Rupa. They are not separate. Vetriktam na vanchati. They cannot be separated from each other. They Shakti and Shakti. Shiva. Shiva is holder of this. This is heat and Shiva is fire. When there is fire, then there is heat. You can't separate fire and heat. This is his own glamour. This is his own. This is his own heat. So why renounce? What you can renounce? What is there left which is to be renounced? Yours, which you get. This is his glamour. This is your glamour. Shakti Shatmad Rupa with Vitirekam Namachate. They cannot be separated from each other in any way. Tadatmya, they are interconnected. Tadat. They are interconnected. Tadatmya means oneness. Shiv Shakti, Tadat. Oneness of I and this. I is Shiva, this is Shakti. This is Tadatmi, this is oneness. Shiv Shakti union. As long as you are separate and this is separate, this is problem. When one comes to this fact that I am this is I. Vitirikam namachate. It does not desire separation. Tadatyam. They are interconnected. Tadatyam. Anyor, though both. Nityam vahanya. Nityam means always they are connected. Although it seems this Shakti is out. But they are always Nityam vahani dahakayoravya, like fire and heat. Vahani means fire and dahika means heat. Ever like fire and heat. This Shakti and Shiva is like fire and heat. You cannot separate them. This is oneness of that. Tada. Shakti in brief, Shakti and Shiva are not separate. Shakti, energy is the whole universe, and Shiva is the from which this universe comes out. Holder of Shakti, holder of this universe and energy. Vetirikam namachate does not recognize separation like fire and heat. They are interconnected with each other, just like fire and heat, which can't be separated. Shiva and Shakti are one. You are correct. This is I. This is Gupta was brilliant. He has expressed this in brief words. How great. Shakti ch Shaktimat Rupat Vitirekam Navanchati. It does not deserve any separation. Tadhatmyam Anyor Nityam. There is oneness between both of them. Always. Anyor means both of them. Shiva and Shakti. Nityam. Always. It is without any break. Like fire and heat. Vahin dahak yor. Like that.